Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is C-Serenade runge-kutta method. So friends, I solved this problem second order runge-kutta method. Consider the runge-kutta method, runge-kutta method of the form yn plus 1 equals to yn aq1 plus bk2 and k1 equal to AH into fxn yn, K2 equal to xn alpha H and beta K1. So to approximation the solution numerical values problem y dash x is equal to fx yx yx0. Which of the following choice a comma b alpha comma b beta yield a second order method? So friends, number one, a equals to half, b equals to half, alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 1, a equals to 1, beta equals to b equals to 1. So friends, let's try to check how can we solve this problem. Before this, we have to learn a theory. To solve this problem, we need to learn a theory. I write in here runge-kutta method. Also, it is called runge-kutta method. Pronunciation is different from different people, but actually this is runge or runge-kutta method. At second order. So dy by dx equals to f x comma y and y x0 equals to y0, yn plus 1 equals to yn plus 1, k1 plus w2 k2 and k1 equals to h into f xn comma yn and k2 equals to h into xn plus ah yn plus c2 k1. This is the formula, friends. Now you have to learn this way and remember some relation that C1 W1 equals to half and C2 W2 equals to half. W1 W2 equals to 1. So now let's check how to. Friends, this is my theory. You see, this is my theory. In here W1 and W2 in here A alpha and beta. So friends, alpha plus beta equals to 1. Okay, this is the first case. Sorry, it is not alpha plus beta. This is a plus b. A plus b equals to 1. A plus b equals to 1. You see that a plus b equals to 1. Alpha h and beta. So whatever you see that according to this formula C1W1, C1W1 means in here this is C1. Sorry, this portion is C1. It is not A. This is C1 W1 equals to half. So according to the formula, A alpha equals to half and B beta equals to half. Which property? C1W1 equals to half. You see that C1W1 equals to half and C2W2 equals to half. So according to this property, A alpha equal to half and B beta equals to half. So friends, in case the first option, you see first option is correct, true. How? Because first option A equals to half plus B half. So half plus half equals to 1. So I get A plus B equals to 1. Another, and A alpha is equal to half into 1 equals to half and B beta equals to half. So I get this answer is correct. This answer is wrong because 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This is not possible. So this is wrong. Number 3 is correct. How? A plus B equals to 1. Okay. After that, if we see that alpha beta, alpha into B equals to half and alpha and beta into B equals to half. Okay, sorry, it is the formula wise that it is half. So my according to my formula, C1 W1 not C1 W2. Okay, C1 W2 equals to half and C2 W2 equals to half. So in here A into equal to 1 by 4. I don't need to check A. I check B into alpha. B into alpha should be half and B into beta should be half and A plus B equals to 1. So this option is correct and second option is false because B into alpha and B into beta does not equals to half. So it is false. I hope I can clear this total concept. So my priority is C1W2 into C2W2. C1W2 into C2W2 equals to half. This is the runge-kutta second order. Now this problem is coming from GATE 2022. So dy by dx is equal to fx comma y and y x0 equals to y0. Now we see y I plus 1 equals to yi plus 1 by 4 K1 plus 3 by 4 K2. Okay, so alpha equals to, in here A equals to A, or you can say according to the formula, this is whatever I write, my formula I write, this formula I will apply in here, runge-kutta method. So W1, so in here W1 equals to 1 by 4, W2 equals to 3 by 4. Okay, that's good. And K2 and W1 plus W2 equals to 1, and K2 equals to H into F xi plus alpha H yi plus beta k. So alpha into W1, not W1, W2 equals to half. And now alpha value I don't know, but W2 value I know. 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, beta into W2 is equal to half. So W2 I know, so beta value is equal to 2 by 3. Now they ask alpha beta, beta equals to 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is equal to 0.44. So this is my answer. Now friends, I will discuss the PVP problem. This problem is coming also CSR net examination. If x plus h equals to fx, so the problem is that consider the ordinary differential equations y dash is equal to yx equal to 0, y0 equals to 1, and the following numerical scheme solve to the, this is a numerical scheme and n greater than equals to 1, and which of the following statements are true. So this statement yn tends to infinity, n equals to n tends to infinity, this type of problem. So from fx plus h is equal to h into f dash x plus up to, and f x minus h equals to fx minus h into f dash x plus up to plus infinity. So y dash plus y equals to 0. So we get m plus 1 equals to 0. So m equals to minus 1. So my general solution yg equals to e to the power minus x into q1. This is my general solution. Now the scheme is that yn plus 1. I write the scheme that yn plus 1 minus yn minus 1 plus 2h yn minus 1 equals to 0. So it is easily understood that yn plus 1 equal to yn minus 1 into 1 minus 2h. So y2 equals to y into 1 minus 2h. Here y0 equals to 1, so y2 equals to 1 minus 2h, y2 equals to y0, y3 equals to y1 into 1 minus 2h. In here y1 is also 1, so I get y3 equals to 1 minus 2h. Similarly, when I check y4, then it is 1 minus 2h whole square, and y5 equals to 1 minus 2h whole square. Finally, we get n equals to 1 minus 2h n minus k. So n tends to infinity. In here h equals to half or 0. It is given. This is given half and 1 minus 0. So whatever you get, we get yn is less than 1. Yn is less than 1. So limit n tends to infinity, then yn equals to tends to 0. So this option is correct. Yn n tends to infinity, then it is 0. Sorry, not infinity. I give wrong answer. This answer is wrong. This option is wrong. We see this option is correct because n tends to infinity, yn tends to, this is true. Again, we see yn is bounded. Yn is bounded obviously it is true because when n tends to infinity, then yn equals to yn tends to 0, and when n equals to 0, then it is 1 minus 2h up to natural number, so it is bounded. So it is correct. 1 2 means it is 1 comma 0. This is the, and next is maximum nh 0 comma 2 nh minus yn tends to infinity as t tends to infinity. Now maximum in h belongs to, maximum in h belongs to 0 comma t as t tends to infinity. So yn h minus yn n equals to mod of e to the power minus nh minus 1 minus 2h whole to the power n minus k does not tends to infinity. So obviously, as yn tends to 0, so this option is not correct. So friends, in here main formula, this formula I will repeat again: dy dx equal to fxy, yx0 equal to y0, yn plus 1. This must remember: yn into w1 plus w2, w1 k1 plus w2 k2, and q1 is equal to h fxn yn, and k2 is equal to h into fx c1 h1, and yn into yn plus c2 k1. Then w1 plus w2 equals to 1, and c2 into w2 equals to half, and w1 into c2 equals to half. Thanks for watching.